Hey guys, welcome back to Walden's World, and we are dealing with one of these Tornado lifan electric scooters. I'm not sure what all models this will work on, maybe quite a lot of the lifans, but we're going to be talking about that little limiter. So on these there's a little limiter that don't allow your scooter to go very fast, and we'll just crank this sucker up. So we're doing about 32 kilometers an hour. That'd be what, 26 miles an hour on this thing. And I got to doing some searching like I always do, and on these there is a little green wire on this particular model. If I can get to it now, it is right here, and you can take and unplug this. If you got it brand new, I think they're not even come plugged in. They're actually unplugged. So that's unplugged now. And on this particular model, that's all we needed to do to unhook the rev limiter. So at 43 kilometers an hour, that'd be like 35, 36 miles an hour. So on this lifan Tornado, that is how you de-restrict your electric scooter. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. We'll be dealing with something tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys.